Welcome to the new Med Healthcare Basics Guide for the Universal ECG with i3. This video will guide you through the basics of using the new Med i3 software to record and save an ECG with the smart universal device. The ECG connects to a spare USB port on your computer. They are also supplied with a 5-meter extension lead to ensure the ECG can comfortably reach your patient on the examination couch. First, ensure you have the correct patient open and that you only have one instance of the clinical system running on your computer. This will ensure our integration software doesn't have any issues accessing the information and avoid delays for you and the patient. Launch the i3 software with the icon on your desktop or pinned to your taskbar. After a moment, the front screen will appear. Simply select Start. On this screen, you will see the products you have licensed and installed. At the bottom of the screen, there is an option to get remote support via our live chat. This is available 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. To continue, select ECG. The current patient will be shown. You can update the height and weight if necessary. If this isn't the correct patient, simply select No and start again, ensuring you have the correct patient open. If multiple patient records or instances of your clinical system have been open, close all and start again, or consider rebooting the PC to start fresh. To proceed, select Yes. The screen will say Processing Data and launch the next part of the process, which uses CardioView. i3 now sits in the background on your computer until the next stage is completed, waiting to help save the results back into your clinical system. You will then see the live ECG trace from the attached patient. If you see some, or all, leads showing red circles, please check you have good contact with the patient's skin, the electrodes are fresh and the croc clips are clean. Quick tip from our technical support team: if all leads show red circles, start by checking the limb leads, as one or more of those likely has poor connection or skin contact. Let's take a closer look at the ECG trace. The trace will move across the screen from left to right. For the best results, ensure the patient is laid still, relaxed, and avoid speaking. Let's pause the trace here for a moment. Once 10 seconds has passed, the buttons in the bottom right will be available to click. Let the ECG run until you are happy that the trace has settled down. Clicking Save will record the last 10 seconds of ECG trace shown. CardioView will close and the integration will take back over. The ECG results window will appear. Again, you can see the patient's details as well as the clinical code that will be filed into the system. You can also view a copy of the PDF report before filing by selecting View. You can type any comments to be filed alongside the ECG if required. Simply click Send to file the results back to the clinical system. Wait for the confirmation message to appear and then click OK to close the integration. The results are now saved into your clinical system. You may need to refresh the patient record before you can see the results. To take a more in-depth look at the options to view the ECG trace and review the recording before saving, please see the advanced video.